Hi, this is Maria Brown with Palmas Dream Homes, and today I am in Fairway Courts. Fairway Courts is a charming condo-style neighborhood nested within Palmas Del Mar, offering a seamless blend of convenience, privacy, and access to all the resort-renowned amenities. This neighborhood is perfect for anyone seeking a low-maintenance, relaxed lifestyle in a beautiful tropical setting. Homes in Fairway Courts feature open, inviting floor plans with cozy, private balconies or terraces, ideal for enjoying the Puerto Rican sun. And for recreation, residents can take advantage of a private community pool and easy proximity to Palmas del Mar's celebrated golf courses, tennis courts, and restaurants. Short-term rentals are allowed, which makes this community a sought-after location for investors and people who want to buy a second home. This guard-gated community also emphasizes privacy and security, with thoughtful design spaces between homes for peaceful, laid-back atmosphere. Fairway Courts is an ideal choice for retirees, young families, or anyone looking for a vacation getaway or investment property. For more information, visit palmasdreamhomes.com.